Call it Amaranth Seeds, Ramdana, Rajgira Seeds, Sil or Cholai. It's the same. How to pop Amaranth Seeds, Rajgira Seeds. This is Rajgira. So today we'll be popping the seeds to make a sweet dish. Only a tablespoon is enough. Cover it. Flame must be medium to high. To pop the amaranth seeds correctly, we have to choose the correct pan to pop the amaranth seeds. The pan should be thick bottom and must be deep enough. Once you have poured 1 tablespoon of amaranth seeds, cover it instantly, and in between you have to give it a good stir and then lower the flame. Switch off the flame and then transfer the popped amaranth seeds in batches. Once you are done with all of the popping of these amaranth seeds in batches, it's good to sieve the ones which are not popped from the ones which are thoroughly popped. I still have half of the seeds left and I am doing these in batches. Take care not to burn these seeds, okay? The aroma is very nice. You'll love this aroma in your kitchen, in your home. Keep stirring and on low flame now. Cover it and switch off the flame. Ready to transfer into a plate. It's time for the last batch to be popped and I will be done after this. In the meantime, I will be melting the jaggery to make the sweet dish known as Ramdana laddu, Sil laddu, Amaranth laddu or Chaulai laddu in India. How beautifully these are popping. All the seeds are popped now and I am melting the jaggery. It's 2 cups jaggery with a little bit of water, like 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Melt the jaggery and mix it with all of the popped seeds.